Hello student, here we discuss about how to represent bond enthalpy and bond and dissociation energy in case of methane. Bond energy and bond dissociation energy. See, carbon and hydrogen, it is having 4 bonds. See, H4, CH4, CH4. And this CH4, completely CH4 converted into C plus H, 4 of H. Clear? So we have to get this. For that we have to go for all these steps. BD1, BD2. BD1 means bond dissociation energy or enthalpy. First removal of first bond, CH bond, and breaking of, if we can say, breaking of one CH bond, then second CH bond, then third CH bond, then fourth CH bond, and we'll get isolated carbon and hydrogen. Clear to you? So bond energy, this is specific. See, bond dissociation enthalpy for breaking of first CH bond is bond dissociation energy of first, bond dissociation energy of second bond, bond dissociation energy of third bond, bond dissociation energy of fourth CH bond. Clear? So bond dissociation energy very specific for each step we have seen, but bond energy will be the average of all four. BD1 we will add them together, BD1 to E2, E3, E4 divided by 4. This is the bond energy of CH. Clear? This is bond energy of CH bond, and 4 CH bonds are present. So that is why we will say that each bond dissociation energy differ. Sum of all BD divided by 4 will give bond enthalpy of one carbon hydrogen bond. Clear to you? So average of all bond dissociation enthalpy is equal to bond energy. Average of all bond dissociation energy is equal to bond energy. So breaking of one CH4 molecule, one carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms are obtained. Clear to you? So I think this will be clear. Bond dissociation enthalpy as well as bond energy of methane. Likewise, if we will see bond energy, bond dissociation enthalpy of water, first bond enthalpy, so OH and H will be cleaved. Then second bond enthalpy, OH will be cleaved and H and O will be obtained. So bond energy of OH will be BDE plus BDE2 divided by 2. Okay, so bond energy of the hydrogen oxygen bond in the water molecule is the amount of energy required to split all the hydrogen oxygen bond. Okay, so in this way we find out bond enthalpy totally divided by 2. Bond energy is the average amount of energy required to break down all the bonds. Okay, like this, OHO. Clear? Thank you for watching. God bless you.